Dr. Sanchita, a different look, a different perspective, but also there are increasing cases of eating disorders. The pressure of looking great for the gram, the choices that we are making in lifestyle, the time constraints that a lot of young people are facing day to day. Is that something that you think can be prevented, can be mitigated with timely intervention?
Yes, of course. I get a lot of patients who are young, who are traveling a lot, and they really don't have time to cook too much, or their maids are cooking for them. That's also a common thing. How is my maid going to cook differently? But these are, these can be overcome. For example, it all depends on the person. How concerned are you about your own health? Are you willing to sit down with a doctor and understand what are the root causes of your problems? And that is always my thing. I will always explain to them what are the root causes of your problems. Once they understand that, they're willing to make the changes, right? And they're willing to choose wisely. The emotional eating, the binging disorders, they really go away when we give them the right kind of foods for a certain number of days or for a certain number of weeks, and their cravings start going away. So there are ways by which these cravings can go away. We just have to introduce the right foods to them, because the gut is involved in a lot of ways in our lifestyle diseases, and once the gut is taken care of, the binging, the cravings, they can all go away. Even if you're traveling, you can make wise choices, and we are all traveling nowadays. Who is without traveling? So we have to understand just what to eat, what not to eat when we are out, and make wise decisions. That happens once the cravings and the binging go away, and they go away when you eat the right way for a certain number of weeks.
Yeah. So when you talk to your patients, do they actually inherently know what they're doing wrong, or do they discover in conversations with you?
No, they discover it in the conversations with us.
So there are certain things that we're doing unknowingly.
Yeah.
For instance,
they'll say, why my parents have been using ghee, my grandfathers have been using ghee, and they put a lot of ghee in all their rotis and everything. And I say, and they have lived to be maybe 80s or something. I said, if they didn't use the ghee, they would live to be 90s perhaps. So we don't know. And their lifestyle was very different. They were working a lot. They were getting rid of all that extra energy they were putting into their bodies. Today we are leading sedentary lifestyles. Our lifestyles have changed. There's a lot of environmental toxins. There's a lot of chemicals in our food. We need to decrease the saturated fats, because that causes a lot of inflammation in the body. So once I explain all that, they make the changes. Within a week, they start seeing a difference.
So when you're saying no ghee, what is the oil that? What is the cooking medium that you recommend for all of?
I recommend no oil for cooking.
No oil?
No oil for cooking, and it's doable. My cook can cook marvelously without oil. So many people tell me, I have the maids, how will they learn? So we have cooking videos which we send them, and they learn to cook their onions and roast their onions without oil. They learn to give dal tarkas without oil, and the food can be absolutely delicious. You just have to know the recipes. If you try them, many of them are following. And some of them use minimal oil. Minimal oil, but no vegetable oils, no refined oils. More of the other things like sesame oil is still okay. So I recommend that. Or they add oily stuff they'll add a few peanuts to their cooking. The difference is peanuts comes with fibers, while your oil does not come with fiber. That makes all the difference. Or sesame seed paste, or maybe a little bit of coconut gratings. So that enhances the flavor of the food, but it is not harming you also. So there are ways to overcome now.
This is very interesting, cooking with no oil. We're definitely going to look up those videos.